Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is The Firdaus. I'm gonna explain you my new project, which is my all projects. Cause I don't know. Okay, so first, as you can see on here, this is my projects. My project is about Flutter. So I think I will explain you the file that we call it as kajian video screens. So first of all is we will share you the first things is the main dot. So this the import necessary the screens widgets for the navigation routes and in the apps. So this like the routes for the apps, the necessary things that we need. And this the import flutter materials designs for the package for the UI components. So this for the component things. You can see on here there's the material dot. So first is the entry point of the Flutter applications. When we open these applications, running the My App widgets, we will running this code, the void main, and this will run the app for the starters on here. And on the below the run app, you can see there's the define for the define the main application widgets and the set plus widgets that set up for the material apps with the roots for the roots this I mean for the main point is the stat plus widgets will set up the material apps with the roots that will run when we running these applications. And on the below this on the below that thing there's the build there's the override and the widget build. And the widget build is for the widget root for build the root widgets of the applications for configuring yeah, configuring the material apps with the titles and the themes, applications and the roots. So this for the themes that I use name is Pitaquals and these the themes I use the pretty purple means on the roots is this the roots slash means the Jaspo screens, Doa means Doa screens and Zakat is Zakat screens and Jatosot is Jatosot screens and the Fidukajan is Fidukajan screens. So this all for this explanation of the main dots. So we're gonna going to the next file which is the next file which the video kajian screens. So on here you can see there's the import package that I use. The ignoring warnings for the public member, IP docs, and the constructor sorting this for this file. And this file is like the import necessary package for the color constant and data video and the detail video screen and the flutter UR component. These are the import file that I need that I use. And this is for define the video kajian widgets with the styles widgets that display on the display of the kajian video items. This for the code of the UI. You can see this there is the build the UI from the video kajian include the an app bar and the list view of the cards. And this code is for build the UI for the video kajian screens. I use like you can see on this on the return scaffold on the below return scaffold create like an app bar with the primary color background title and the back buttons. You can see this the back color background color constant color primary and this is the title for the text is video kajian and the style text and the color constant I use the color white and for the font is open mediums. On the leading edge here you can see it's the leading the navigations and you can see on the but on the below the leading is icons. There's the icon that I use the arrow back I use new outline and I use the color constant color white. I use the white color for the back the arrow back I use new outline and this below the color constant there's the this code is used for the list builder to create the scrollable list of view items based on the video data. So this for the code for make this the scroll things the scrollable string things, and this code is for handle the tab navigations to details the video screens with the select video data. So on the tab screen they add here this for the tab. This code is for handling the tab navigation when we click the screen on with the app on the screen on our screens. And this the code that I use. The start card margin inside and blah blah. And until there's the card, the stack with the thumbnail image and the play button icon overlay. This code is for create the stack with the thumbnail and the image play icon overlay. So when we open the first image, the first I call it that the first the first video, when we open the video, they will show when we open the kajian screen, they will show the thumbnail, the thumbnail of the video and the icon and the play icon overlay on here. I put the why I use the position as 0 because I put the icon I put the image asset the thumbnail I put on the mid on the middle on the middle I mean the position of the icons. So the icon circle outline I put on the middle, so I use the 0 position. And this for the color I use is color primary and the size is 60. On the below the size there's this code is special this code is for displaying the account name and with the padding and the gray styling. So this for display the account name with the padding and the gray styling as the gray colors for the style of the account name. So the account name I use a font size 14 and the font color is the color gray, and for the font is I use the popping circular for the account padding and for the display account. And on here on Discord is for display the user names with the horizontally and the padding and the primary color style. So this I use the padding horizontal. I use the ustad name with horizontal paddings. So this so the text is horizontal. I and you can see on here there is the textile. I use the font for the size of the text is 16, and you can see the color constant color primary and the font family opens videos. I use this code because I and want this screen use screen this text is 16 for the size and the color is the color constants color primary, and for font I use the popis videos. And you can see on this kind of code is for display the video title with the horizontally padding and the fold back styling. So this for the padding that I use. This for the video title with the horizontal padding. So the padding is horizontal like landscape. You can see there's the video title, uh, and for the style is I use the 14 the 18 font size for the font for the size is 18 for font, and the color is color the black color, and the font for the font is popping semi bold. And now we're gonna go to next file is the import the detail video kajian screen dot. So as here you can see I use the like some package and that I need. I import necessary package for the color constant and the further UI component and the YouTube player functionality. You can see this. There is the utils Ultios constant color constant dot, the material dot, and the YouTube player footer slash YouTube underscore player underscore footer dot. This is for the this is for the color that this package is for the color and this package is for the UI component and this for the YouTube player functionality and this code is for the for define the video the widget and as a stateful widget that display on the detailed information about the video higher elements on the YouTube players. This is for define the video the detailed video widgets. The these things this code is for the defining the details video widgets and that will displaying will show on the on the stateful widgets that that showing or displaying the details the information about the video kajian the video kajian that we watch and at here there is the stat class for details managing and the YouTube players and the control widget and the live styling and this for the stat class for the details video for managing the video players controller and this for the declare the light in this initial light installations player and controller to manage the video playback this for the manage the video playback the controller and this for the anal initialize the video players controller when the widget the first created set up the video ID playback flags at here. This code is for the initialize the video players controller when the widget is when the widget is the first create and for setting up the video ID playback and blah blah. This you can see on this. That's the YouTube players and this for the autoplay and the mute false. So the autoplay is running without anything. So this the autoplay is true and for the mute is false because when we open the first when we open the video is directly autoplay and the mute is turned on. And this the override things for dispose of the video player controller when the widget is removed by the free up search. So this for the YouTube players when the widget is removed by the free up search other research and at here you can see this the building the UI for the detailed video screen and this override and this what this and this what and this logo code including the app and the bar scrollable body with the video players and the text details. So this for the for build the UI for the details video screen. This include the add bar and the scrollable body, which is this code. This this the screen is scrollable, so we can scroll on the page and this is they create an app bar for the primary background and displaying the video title on the back button. So this for create the app bar with the primary color because I use the primary color for constant primary and for displaying the video title on the back video title like you can see this the widget title on the back button. This the leading and this the on press which is the code for when we click the the the, the things the some things that we click And this the use single child scroll view for the body while allowing the scrolling if the content access the screen wide. This means is when the body is when the page is support for scrolling, allow to scrolling, support to scroll when the page is more longer than the screens. So the single child scroll view will allow the scrolling the content if the content is extend the screen height when the screen height is over. And on here you can see there's the emblem YouTube players widgets with the custom progress indicator, color, and the listeners for the state update. This is for the YouTube player widget with the custom progress indicator. Then the color, I use the process indicator. For the indicator, I use the yellow, yeah, the yellow ember, and for the and this the progress color is I use the yellow too. And this for the the emblem of YouTube. And this at here there's a display account name with the padding and gray color styling on here. So I use the when display the account name, they will show on the points regular, and for the color is gray color for the text, and for the size, and this for the padding, and this child tags at here widget account. So the account is the context is the pop is regular and the color is color gray. And this padding things is for the display the Ustad name with the original padding and primary styling. Primary styling. And this too is for the title I used is this display for the video title with the horizontal padding and the bold black styling. I used the semi bold toppings, and this for the color the title I use the black color, and this the display of display the video notification and the description with the video for just the justify the text alignment and the regular black styling. So I use the regular poppins for the font, and the color is black and the font size is 16. This is for the code that describe the description of the video. And now we're gonna go to the data video. Data video file is for collecting the data for the video kajian screen. And at here you can see this define the constant list of the map containing like the video data for the kajian video, including the thumbnail, the account, the start name, and the channel name, and the description, and the URL too, and the title too. And you can see on here there is the first video that entry with the details about berbakti kepada orang tua ya. You can say this for the thumbnail, and this the account that upload the video, and this for the name of the ustad, and this the title for the themes of the kajian, and this the URL of the YouTube, and this description of the video, and this same as the first at the first video, the first as same as like the first code. This only like change for the title and the description and the URL thumbnail and the title, and for the code system is same. So now we're gonna open the application. Okay, wait a minute. I will run the flutter. And it may take like a minute, so you may wait. So as you can see at here, there is the video kajian. So I will go to the video kajian's page. So at here and the video kajian screen, as you know that I said before, there is the thumbnail at here. This the thumbnail and this the name of Ustad and the name of channel and this the name of Ustad that one that filling the video and this for the title of the video. Same as like this. When we click the video, so the video will going to start at here. There is the name of the Ustad, the name of channel that upload the video, and this the Ustad that showing the kajian on here, and this for the description that I said before. This description will describe the video that you watch on this website. So that's all for me. Sorry mistakes, and I apologize for all mistakes that I made. My name is Tariq Abdul Firdaus. I hope you guys can understand what I mean. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.